Hello, it's time for math again. Today is day 15 of what we've been studying. So I'd like for you to take out your hardcover book, open it up to page 310, 310. Today we're going to talk about triangles. Triangles. We've learned a lot about triangles through the years. You've known what a triangle is for a long time. So today we're going to learn a little bit about special triangles. Did you know that each kind of triangle has a name? Today we're going to learn about 4 different kinds of triangles. How many sides do you think that each of these triangles has? Each one still has 3. That's right. That's right. But we're going to learn some special names of them. So open up to 310. We're going to look at those. On page 310, at the top, underneath triangles, it says, triangles are polygons with 3 sides. I'd like you to look in your book at page 310 at the yellow triangles. Right above it, it says, these are right triangles. Each one has 1 right angle. You remember when we were talking about angles and the kinds of angles we have? The right angle, the acute angle, the obtuse angle. We're going to talk about a right angle inside of a right triangle. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? Look at that angle right there. That is totally, whoa, what did it just do? That is totally a right angle. Look here, here's another right angle. Right there. This is called a right triangle. If you can put a square in the corner of one, you have a right triangle. You could draw some even. There you go. There's your right triangle. Okay, so that's the first kind. In your book, they give you several examples. Next, I want you to look to the next word. It's kind of a weird word, isn't it? Yeah, the green triangles. These are isosceles triangles. Isosceles. I want you to think of it, when you say it, is I saw, it's being silly, Celise, like somebody's name is Celise. I saw Celise. Isosceles. Isosceles triangles are special because they have at least 2 sides of equal length. 2 of the sides are the same length. 1, 2, those are the same, aren't they? 1, 2, those are the same. Ooh, this one's upside down. 1, 2. 2 sides that are the same length. Sometimes we mark them and we do this. This shows that those 2 sides are the same. And I would put 2 lines there to show that they're different. These 2 are the same. This is different. This one up here, these 2 are the same. My smartboard's not working right today. These 2 are different. So they're isosceles. Remember it this way, because it's hard to say, isn't it? All right, go on to the next ones in your book, the orangey color ones. This one I think we can probably pronounce a little bit more easily. Equilateral. It's just not cooperating with us today, is it? Equilateral. What word do you hear inside of equilateral? Yeah, equal, right? That means that all 3 sides are exactly the same. This pen, though, isn't the same. It's not behaving. Let's get rid of that. Let's try it again. There. This one, that one. Come on, little pen. I don't know what's up with that today. They're all the same. They're equal, so we call them equilateral. And the last one in the book here, well, these purple ones look kind of funny. They're all different. I wonder what we could call those. Let's call those scaling. Yeah, I know, it's weird. Scaling. A scaling triangle is a triangle that has 3 sides that have all different lengths. They're not the same at all. Let's see if we can fix this line. There we go. Scaling triangles. Look at the bottom of your page. Those purple ones, they're all different. They have no sides of equal length. They're scaling triangles. So let's review those 4 kinds. We have scaling, they're all different. Equilateral, they're all the same. Isosceles, 2 sides are the same length. And a right triangle. The right triangle has the square angle in there, the right angle in there. Next, I'd like for everyone to please look at page 311 at the top. We are going to decide what kind of triangles are printed there. Okay, so let's look at number 1, the pink one. I want you to look back at the kinds of triangles and decide what you think it is. Here's how you do it. You look at the triangle and you decide how many sides are the same length. Or is there a right angle? Because there's a square corner. Does that one have a square corner? No. How many sides are exactly the same? All 3 of them? You're right. Which one of these means all sides are exactly the same? That would be equilateral. Whoa, what happened? Equilateral because they're all equal. All 3 sides are equal, so it's equilateral. Let's look at number 2. Can you decide what kind that is? Do you see a right angle? I do. What kind of triangle is that? That is a right triangle. The last one on the page, the purple one. What do you think? It looks to me like all the sides are the same. So which one do you think it is? Equilateral. Good job. Good job. All right, what I would like you to do now is to take out your worksheet. This worksheet is page number 114. It looks like this. It says triangles on the top. You can keep your book out if you want, but there's also some clues up here to help you to decide what kind of a triangle it is. As you do this page, you're going to have to be a good investigator. You are going to have to look carefully. Look at the clues, see how many sides are the same. Here it shows a right triangle, an isosceles triangle, an equilateral triangle, and a scaling triangle. It has marks like I put up there to show how many sides are the same. On this first section, you are going to write what kind of triangle it is. You don't have to write the word triangle. Let's write what the word is, okay? You either write the word right, isosceles, equilateral, or scaling. Don't abbreviate, write out the word. On the bottom, it says write how many acute angles are in each triangle. All right. Okay, this is your right angle. Doesn't want to work right over there. If it's smaller, it's acute. And if it is wider, oh, that doesn't look very good. If it's wider, it is called, you remember? Obtuse. My smartboard is not working very well there. Okay, so we want to find how many acute angles are inside of it. So if I have this or that, you have to decide what kind of angles are in here and how many of them are acute. So you have to count them up. I recommend writing in the little marks to show the angles. All right, so after you're done with that, you are all set for math for today. Have a great day.